That WSP file is a SharePoint Solution Package, a deployment bundle for customizing Microsoft's collaboration platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you deploy and manage these SharePoint solutions. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling WSP files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. WSP files are SharePoint Solution Package files, containing compiled assemblies, XML configurations, features web parts, and other resources packaged for deployment to Microsoft SharePoint Server. They bundle all components needed to extend SharePoint functionality into a single deployable cabinet archive. SharePoint WSP files use CAB cabinet archive compression containing a manifest.xml solution descriptor with feature definitions, assembly references, resource files, safe control entries, and web part definitions. The package follows SharePoint's Solution Deployment Framework for server farm installation. Microsoft SharePoint is the standard set by Microsoft Corporation for accessing the WSP format. The system requires the file to pass specific authenticity checks not performed by Windows Explorer. Windows shows only the text portion, while actual execution requires a scripting framework. Your essential first step is the Open With action. Right-click the WSP file and select Open With. If Microsoft SharePoint is installed, select it. If not, choose another program. Every app deserves a chance to open the file. If your WSP file will not open yet, do not panic. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, deploying to SharePoint. Upload the WSP file to SharePoint Central Administration. Under System Settings, then Manage Farm Solutions. Use the Deploy Solution action to install the package across targeted web applications. Alternatively, deploy via SharePoint Management Shell using Add SP Solution and Install SP Solution PowerShell CMD-lets. Next, inspecting package contents. Rename the WSP extension to CAB and extract with Windows built-in extraction or 7-zip to inspect the contents. Review the manifest.xml for feature definitions, assembly registrations, and deployment targets. Examine included DLL files, ASPX pages, and XML configurations before deployment. Finally, retraction and removal. Remove a deployed WSP using Central Administration by selecting Retract Solution followed by Remove Solution. Via PowerShell, use Uninstall SPS Solution, then remove SPS Solution, CMD-lets. Always retract before removing to properly unregister features and clean up deployed resources from web applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.